Hey y'all, I just released my first financial literacy ebook, How I Became Debt Free in 22 Months. This is an easy, educational, and encouraging guide. I want you to check it out. It's only $5. Look in the link in the description box below and click that button. Hey y'all, so I decided to make some shepherd's pie. It had been a pretty long time since I made this. Of course, I had to peel my potatoes first because you do need to make mashed potatoes to go over the top of it. Oh Lord, that thing just slipped right out of my hands. I'm giving it a little peel. I did utilize russets for this. Some people like to just buy, the pre-made mix, add water. But I was being just a little fancy, trying to just have that little scratch element to it. I think it adds to the taste. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. Do you prefer homemade mashed potatoes or do you prefer, the in a box with the water? Does it matter to you? I will say you can tell the difference. You can definitely tell the difference. And as you see, your girl was peeling these things like a samurai, okay? I was just all over the place. They slipping all out my hands and everything. And I typically put a bag down, but I didn't today. I got my turkey hamburger here. I'm just going to brown that up just a bit. As you can see, listen, my pot was already sizzling and ready to go. I like the turkey hamburger meat. If you follow my channel, you know your girl's not too big on beef. I think the turkey hamburger is healthier. I got my mixed vegetables here. Now, when I think back to this, I feel like I should have cooked and drained the meat first before putting the mixed vegetables in, but that didn't occur to me until after. So when you do this recipe, make sure that you kind of do those things independently. It ended up working out. I was able to just kind of drain them all at once. And by the way, I got this recipe, or I'm using, just the steps from iHeart Recipes. Love Miss Rosie. Shout out to her channel. I'm just giving it, a little stir. I am buttering my pan, y'all, because I don't want things to be too sticky. I have some mushroom pasta sauce. I got this from Aldi. I really love Aldi's pasta sauce, y'all. It is so good. Oh my gosh, they have a great variety. I wasn't quite sure if I needed to use the whole thing, so I was like, okay, let me just put in a little, because this was probably like my second time maybe making this, but I think I put in just enough. And I really like the mushroom pasta sauce. I think it added its own little flair to it. It came out really, really, really good, but you can use whatever flavor, that you prefer. Got my potatoes going over here. They were boiling just away. Didn't take too long for those to be done. As you can see, I had my oven preheated. I think it was preheated to like 375. I can't remember. And once that was done, my meat mixture, I put it all in the pan, of course. Give it a little spread. Make sure that you don't have, any pockets like you see me doing here. Also, you don't want to waste no food, so make sure you get everything in that pan, okay? This was a little hot, so definitely be careful there. I just kind of gave it, just a little pat, a little smush there. And then, as you can see, I got my mashed potatoes. I just kind of put them on top, y'all. I dumped them on top and gave them a little spread before putting it in the oven. I want to say maybe this was about 30-ish to 40-ish minutes. It came out so good, y'all. Y'all drop down in the comments and let me know. Would you try my shepherd's pie?